You've landed on the moon show. Very sorry for sitting here in my underwear, but basically I just looked at the charts and I cannot waste a single moment before I tell you this, guys. Bitcoin right now is trading within this channel, and I'm gonna tell you exactly the two options Bitcoin has right now, and I'll tell you what's gonna happen as a result. So obviously, there's big resistance around this area, around this orange line at 66.8K. We just got rejected by it. That's a big moment, because obviously that's the second rejection. We have two of those now. Big resistance from back here. Big moment. Now, because of that rejection, we are now still back in this channel. And I would tell you this: within this channel, I would say that we're neutral right now. Bitcoin is very soon going to choose between going up and going down. So Bitcoin is right now between a rock here and a hard place here, meaning that we will have just a little bit of more time here before eventually the Bitcoin breakout's gonna happen. And I can tell you that, okay, let's just extrapolate here. So that means the deadline for this would be, let's see here. So that's, yeah, by the end of next week. So I would say this week here, we could be trading sideways or slightly to the upside. But by the end of next week, Bitcoin is going to choose up or choose down. And let me now tell you what's going to happen, what I think. So personally, if we break up, then that means not only that this bullish divergence here is completing on the 4-hour time frame. Let me just, sorry, on the daily time frame here. This very beautiful bullish divergence, which is already playing out, by the way. That's why I opened up my positions. I have big positions open right now, as you guys know. Let me actually show you over on, let's see here. I am logged in on Bybit. So here you can see on Bybit, my Bitcoin position is right now up 55%. And if you guys opened up Bitcoin positions, then massive shout out to you. Now, if we break to the upside now, then I think we are also then logically also now resolving the weekly bullish divergence. So let me go out to the weekly time frame and zoom out. Look at this. This weekly time frame bullish divergence here. This one is the major bullish divergence, because if you look at the previous time that happened, look at this. That was the bottom of the bear market, back in that bear market. So right now we're seeing the exact same thing. So if we break above the orange line now, then we're basically starting this move. That would happen here. That move would happen here. And this move basically started the bull market, as you can see here. So after that breakout above the bullish divergence, you can see that Bitcoin never again came below the low of the bullish divergence, meaning that we would never again go below 58K. So let me put this very in very simple English now. All right, if we break above 66.8K next week, then I believe we are never again going below $58,000. So basically breaking above orange here is extremely bullish. And if we do, then in my opinion, it makes sense to open up all the long positions you possibly can. All right, all the long positions you possibly can. And if you go below this video right now, you can sign up to WEEX, No KYC, if you want to trade and open up Bitcoin positions over on WEEX. UBIT also has no KYC. Go check them out down below in the description right now. And also, guys, I do want to stress that if you are now in Europe, if you want to go and sign up to Bybit EU, I have links to Bybit EU down below. Deposit euro to get USDC. Only 19 days left to do so. All right, so that's the bullish scenario if we break above the orange line. The question is what happens if we break down below the orange, if below here. So if we break down here, well, first of all, if we break down during the weekend now, then I would expect a breakdown to something like 60K. And then that will create a CME gap. And I know that many will say that CME gaps are not very relevant anymore, but I still think they are. So during the weekend, we would create a gap. And then next week, we're probably going to go back up again. And what would that create? Well, if you look at this now, if you are a subscriber of the Moon Show since long time, then you should already be able to tell that this here is a inverse head and shoulders. And if we form an inverse head and shoulders here, which is very, very, very possible, then the target will be calculated like this. And before I show the target, make sure, guys, that you go to my vlog channel, Carl Moon Vlogs, because on my vlog channel I'm uploading all of my racing content and my shopping vlogs, and whenever I buy or sell a car. I just sold a couple of Ferraris, and I'm going to show you which Ferraris I sold over on Carl Moon Vlogs, and what else? I'm going to tell you there also what I did with the money. Obviously, it's going to be crypto related. So yeah, subscribe to Carl Moon Vlogs. It's over on YouTube. But yeah, let me now show you the exact target here. So you pull this up like this, and that gives us a target of $76,000. I think Bitcoin is going to 76K sooner than you think. And the thing is here that if we go to 76K, then I believe we're not going to stop there. I think, of course, at 76K, we could see a bit of a rejection. So this is what I think is going to happen. We go up to 76, get a bit of a rejection because we have some previous resistance or support actually around that level. And then we're probably going to start heading higher. I think we're not going to shoot straight up to 100K. I think we're going to go a little bit sideways here because the 4-year cycle basically says that, you know, after the halving, that's when we're going to start going up. So I would think next year it's still going to be a little bit sideways, and then eventually it's going to start going up again faster and faster. And the bullish divergence here obviously is going to skyrocket Bitcoin up towards, I would say 100K within well, I would say 100K is very likely to happen by the beginning of next year. All right, so that's my personal humble opinion. I've opened up many long positions as a result of my analysis. And if you guys want to trade Bitcoin right now, then I would suggest you go to WEEX, no KYC, no VPN. And if you use my link down below, you will be getting deposit bonuses. So definitely use my links. So my links down below will always give you bonus, discount on fees. Like on Bybit, for example, you get 10% discount on fees with my link down below. And I also have tutorials on my channel where you can learn how to use these exchanges from A to Z. Very, very good tutorials. And guys, if you haven't seen my latest vlog on my vlog channel, make sure you go and check it out right here, right now. My vlog channel is a source of inspiration. So go check it out right now. See you over there. My latest racing vlog is right there. See you over there. Bye-bye.